deal, right? I wasn't planning to get this car at all, but hey, you cannot pass when the deal is too good. But let's celebrate only when we get the car. I'm not gonna show too much there because, you know, people privacy, I don't want to put a camera in front of everybody. But for sure, when we get back home, if everything goes well, I will show you guys the details of everything. Crazy. That's why cash is king. If you have cash and the deal presents yourself, just buy it. That's what I'm doing. I'll explain more later. Bro, man, I'm facing my allergy and everything because I did a thing though. I cannot believe I did a thing. You know what, when I said, you know, when the opportunity presents itself, you cannot pass on. And one of the reasons why I preach a lot about, you know, not having car payments and not have debt, it's because when the opportunity presents to you, you need to be ready. And this was kind of the thing. Dude, you're not gonna believe it. I bought another Corvette. Yeah, I bought another Corvette, dude. Can you believe I bought a C5? Look at that. It's a 1999. I'll show you guys more when we get home. I just got from the, you know, the seller, and I will show you guys. But dude, I got another Corvette, dude. Can you believe I just finished mine and I got another one? How crazy is that? Dude, I'll show you guys exactly the specs. This car has a lot we can get done to it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, if I'm gonna keep it or just sell it. I don't know yet. But dude, how great, I bought another Corvette, I cannot believe it. So what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna go back home, and then I'll take the car out of the trailer, of course, and then I'll do a walk around. I'm kind of like 40 minutes from home, so I'll get you guys there. The C5 is over there, and I want to show you guys exactly why I bought it and how the car is so far. Was a nasty day that day as far as pollen goes, and you guys know I'm really allergic to pollen, so I had to stay out of the pollen as much as I could. That's why I didn't record anything. Today it's a different day. I just cleaned the C6, and I think now we need a name for the C6. I was thinking about American Apple. Doesn't get any better, right? So let me know if you have any suggestions as far as name goes. But I think American Apple sounds fair. So what I had to do, I don't know how much the camera can show, but I cleaned up my entire garage. I had to put the cars out, not the cars, that car. And the car was there overnight, and the pollen covered the entire car. That's why I wash it now. It's pretty clean, and I'm gonna do the same with the C5 now, but I'm not gonna show you guys. I want to show you guys the car. Dude, we got ourselves a C5. That's why I always preach about you know, being financially smart, because when the opportunity presents itself, and I think I said that many times on this video, you cannot pass on it, right? That was the case. This deal you know, was presented to me. I wasn't looking for a C5. I didn't want another car. I just finished my car, but I could not pass. This was a great deal. I'll show you guys exactly what the car is. The car just needed a lot of TLC. This is a 1999 C5 Corvette, right? This car looks in pretty good shape as far as the outside goes, but I think the previous owner, what he was doing, you see there's aftermarket wheels on it. What the previous owner was doing, he was just driving. And why I can tell, look at how dirty this caliper is. Can you see it? And the wheels as well. And I would say, okay, that's just the wheel mat. You know what? Everybody drives, everybody gets the car dirty. No, this car, it's a pretty clean, it's one owner, but I'm quite sure the guy was just enjoy the ride for the last 22 years. It's crazy, 22 years old car. But the paint is in good shape. You see why it needs a lot of TLC. It's pretty much stock besides the wheels. There's not even exhaust, and don't mind my stuff here just because I'm gonna clean the car before I put it in the garage. It's not gonna be a deep clean. I just want to get the pollen out of the car. There's nothing aftermarket, nothing. It's completely stock. And here's the inside, and that's why I said needs a lot of TLC. Of course, this is kind of my karma, right? I need new seats. These seats they are pretty beat up. I think the guy was a little heavy. He was sitting here, which was the same situation with my C6. If you guys remember, if it was a manual, this car would be my wife's car. So maybe we can do a trans swap. That would be fun, right? But yeah, it's a manual. It's a 1999. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. You see here, the guy didn't clean up that much. If I show you guys under the hood, look at this. Look at this. See how dirty this is? Well, as I mentioned, this car needs a lot of TLC. I would check all the fluids, everything else. It drives nice. It's quiet though. I forgot how quiet this car is, but definitely needs a lot of TLC. I'll probably pull the seats out, clean it up the carpet entire, because it's pretty bad. As you can see, if I show you guys the trunk, unbelievable how you see the guy was just, he didn't take care of it as he should. Let's put this away. He was driving, he was enjoying for sure. There's nothing special about this car. One thing about this car though, and you're gonna say, why did you buy this car with all those issues? It's not actually issues, it's just TLC, right? You agree with me. The main thing about this car, and the reason why I jump it on it, and you can see here, it's pretty dirty. Look at that. Look at that. That's why I say the guy was enjoying the car, but he wasn't like taking, I'm not gonna say that he wasn't taking care of it, just he wasn't like doing whatever, you know, normally Corvette guys they do. So, but the main thing about this car is, if you look at this, there's this service column lock, which I know what it is, and I know I did my research what it is. A modification that we need to do to get that fixed. But the main thing I want to show you guys, it's here. This thing has 36,000 miles on it. It's one owner, 36,000 miles on it. Needs some TLCs here. There's some things like the guy did. I mean, I as far as I know, the guy was just enjoy. It has memory seats, but I'm quite sure if I spend time on it, clean it up, I'll probably throw my my C6 shifter on it. Dude, I'm quite sure this car can be something else. But that's the main reason why I got it. So when they told me the deal they want to, I was like, I'll get it. I'll go get it. So now my job is make sure that we clean it up the car, make it drivable. It's drivable though. It's not as bad as you think, but I just want to go over, take it out the seats, clean, shampoo the carpet, clean the engine bay, and then we're gonna start doing mods. Maybe I'll throw my C6 wheels on it. I'm not a huge fan of those wheels. I don't think it goes well with a Corvette, but that's me. And my wheels are my C6 wheels are bigger than this one. That's it, guys. That's why I got the C5 was a good deal, and I could not pass on it. Actually, I wasn't looking for a car, as I said, but when they told me the deal on this car, I was like, I can't pass. So now my goal is to make the car better, and we're gonna have some fun. I'm not promising any like crazy Corvette content, but I'm quite sure this car is not gonna be the same. So I'll throw you guys here with some montage, and I'll see you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.